Ouch.
I'm gonna go check on the garden. Do you want to come with?
Yeah. I'll take a video of you.
All right.
I'll take a video of you walking down the stairs. It will see my hands because Dada made it see my hands. Taking a video. I'll take a video of the plants.
Okay.
Here's the peppers. Wait, what are these? What are these right here, Mama?
Pepper.
Peppers. Peppers. Got a video of the peppers.
Like one of our cucumbers might die.
And then tomatoes. Cucumbers. There we go. Got all that videoed.
Did you show strawberries?
Yes.
How about this big pile of yard waste that we need to throw away?
There's the yard waste. There's the hose. I'm going to look at things and put them in this video. Is it alright if I put these purple flowers in the video?